Hi everybody, my name's Rob Lambert and I am the founder of Cultivated Management, and I'm going to be at SEETEST conference in Bucharest, Romania in September to run my immersive half-day workshop around the 10 behaviours of effective employees. Join me as we explore what behaviours are, why I think they're so important, and what brought me to these 10 that we're going to cover in the workshop. Like I said, it's going to be an immersive workshop. We're going to create artwork, we're going to create posters and cool stuff that represent each of the 10 behaviours. And not only that, but you're going to get a little cheat sheet with some tactical, practical things that you can do for each of the behaviours once you're back in the workplace. During the workshop, we're going to create artwork that you can touch, you can feel, you can see, you can taste if you want to. And this artwork, I'm going to compile it all together after the workshop and put it into a really cool zine for you to print off, to share with your colleagues, to do with what you wish. It's going to be a fun, immersive, hands-on, practical workshop, but there's going to be nuggets of information thrown in all over the place as we explore the 10 behaviours of effective employees. And like I say, you're going to get a cheat sheet to go back to your workplace to show your colleagues and your peers your new awesomeness as you develop any of these 10 behaviours of effective employees. I do hope you'll join me in Bucharest, Romania in September at the SEETEST 2023 conference for an immersive 10 behaviours of effective employees.